Ever wondered why your sunflowers aren't quite sun-kissed or your ferns are throwing shade? It's not a garden gossip, it's all about how much sun they are getting. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not suggesting your plants are sunbathing divas or shadow-loving introverts, but sunlight, or the lack of it, can make a world of difference in your garden. Sunlight is the lifeblood of your garden, the magic ingredient that turns a seed into a sprout and a sprout into a flourishing plant. But like a good cup of tea, every plant has its own perfect blend of sun and shade. Think about it. Ever notice how some plants bask in the midday sun, while others prefer the cool comfort of a shady corner? That's because plants fall into 4 sunlight categories: full sun, part shade, and full shade. So buckle up, sun worshippers and shade seekers, as we dive into the nitty-gritty of gardening sunlight requirements. Think of sunlight in your garden as a menu at your favorite restaurant. Some plants crave a full-course sun meal, while others prefer a light sun snack. Let's dive into the sun spectrum. Full sun in the gardening world is like the hearty main course. It's the star of the show, the big kahuna, the steak and potatoes of sunlight. Full sun means 6 or more hours of direct sunlight each day. Plants such as roses, tomatoes, and sunflowers thrive in this sun-drenched environment, soaking up the rays like a sunbather at the beach. Next, we have part sun, the lighter meal on the menu. This is like your chicken salad or grilled fish, satisfying but not overwhelming. Part sun signifies 3 to 6 hours of sun each day. Plants like hydrangeas and petunias relish this balance of sunlight and shade, enjoying the best of both worlds. Then there's part shade, the appetizers of the sunlight world. These are your dips, your small bites, your tasters. Part shade means 2 to 4 hours of sun, either in the morning or late afternoon. Ferns and hostas are the connoisseurs of this category, preferring a little less heat from the sun. Lastly, we have full shade, the refreshing beverage of the sunlight spectrum. This is your cool lemonade on a hot day. Full shade plants receive less than 2 hours of direct sunlight each day. Mosses and ivies thrive in these cooler, darker conditions, like a vampire avoiding a tan. Remember, just like ordering the right meal can make or break your dinner, choosing the right sunlight category can make or break your garden. The sun may rise and set, but your knowledge on sunlight in gardening should remain constant. To recap, the sunlight spectrum is a vital factor in plant growth. It ranges from full sun, part shade, to full shade. Each plant has its unique affinity for one of these categories. It's like matchmaking, but for plants and the sun. So next time you're in the garden, remember, it's not just about having a green thumb, but also about knowing your suns and shades. Happy gardening!